My name is Anka. I'm an author from London, and I've written the book The Magic Balloon. My new book follows 3 children, Toby, Ruben, and Rosa, as they find a magic hot air balloon and go on a great adventure. I've also written some books with the Manchester United football player Marcus Rashford. Books including You Are a Champion, You Can Do It, and Heroes. These are books not just for football fans, but for everyone, to help them be the best version of themselves that they can be. My top tip is to make sure you carry your book with you as much as possible, so it can be in your school bag or your rucksack. So whenever you're waiting in the queue or waiting for the bus, you can just open up your book and read a few pages. No worries. Also, try a fun bookmark. It can be a photograph or a card of your favorite sports person, whatever. Have fun with your books. They belong to you. I do a lot of reading on the train, actually. When I was growing up, I used to do a lot of reading on the bus or the train to school. But my favorite place to read above all is a little spot in my living room. I like putting on my headphones and read my favorite books and going to worlds beyond imagination. This year, I'd like to read a lot more comic books. When I was a kid, I used to love reading comic books, but I stopped reading them for a little bit because I was reading a lot of books about football. So this year, I want to read more books about superheroes and supervillains fighting to save the day. These are my book recommendations for you this year. Why don't you check out The Pond in the Park by Flo Fielding? Or you can try Sparks of Imagination by Stephen Houghton. A book I really enjoyed is Whirly Twirly Me by Manjeet Mann. Or you could try out Femi and the Mindfulness Machine by Flo Fielding.